So today I pulled out my transmission. It's a 2002 Jeep Wrangler X, 4-liter, 5-speed. Nothing fancy. Just got the NV3550 tranny out. I was hearing some very odd noise at idle. These things naturally a little bit loud at idle. The clutch out, speaking, clutch pedal out, just because it's a truck transmission. You can turn this shaft. It's going to make some noise, but I was hearing something a little bit too concerning. Clutch pedal out at idle. It sounded like this thing was just doing that, which I shouldn't be able to do that. And plus, you can hear too. You can hear that bearing's pretty much shot. You can see it doesn't spin right either. Got a bunch of metal shavings here in the bell housing. As you can see, seems like that bearing just fell apart. I was also experiencing some shifting issues. First and second was pretty much always a grind, just didn't want to go. Third was the same deal. Third was almost as if I was trying to shift without using the clutch. Fourth was okay. Fifth was okay. I could pretty much make it grind in every gear upshifting. Even fifth. If I shifted it quick enough, it would grind. Downshifting though, never had trouble. Slide right in. Even from high speed to a lower gear you probably shouldn't even be in. It would sink right into gear. So overall, wasn't a bad job. We got a full shop here, a lot of equipment, lift, etc. Only took about an hour or two to get this thing out. You know, if you're going to attempt this, garage, jack stands, floor jacks, you know, I wouldn't say it's too tough at all. Definitely want to get the Jeep up as high as you can, lift off the frame, get more clearance that way anyways. And then things you just got to watch out for is these two top bolts in the transmission. I'll try to show you guys. That one and that one. These very top two ones are what they call an E12 Torx. It kind of looks like a reverse Torx bit. Don't get confused and try to put any other socket on it. A lot of guys strip these things out. They're actually not that hard to get out, in my opinion. Once again, it's an E12 Torx. You can go down to your local Harbor Freight, Advanced Auto, whomever. They'll have it for you. Past that wasn't a bad job. Just got this throwout bearing here. Gonna clean that up, grease that shaft. And also put a new throwout bearing. Gonna inspect the clutch. Previous owner said they replaced the clutch on it. Everything looks a tad bit newer in here. But you can never trust what a previous owner says, because the time you're going to do that is the time it's going to come back and bite you in the ass. Looking at that here, that bearing really fell apart. So, yep, throwout bearing. You're hearing a noise at idle. Press the clutch in, goes away. Let the clutch out. Kind of sounds like marbles rattling around a little bit. This one was actually making quite a bit of a wobble noise too, like a slapping noise of the bearing. Either way, it was pretty damn noisy. So there you have it. NV3550, got a bad throwout bearing, possibly bad clutch components. Who knows what all the metal shavings got into and such. There you go. Thanks for watching.